So if I were to go over here and double click on Google Chrome, you can see that it opens up a new tab. So I can change how Google Chrome behaves when I double click on it. That is, I can change its startup settings as well. So to do that, on the top right hand side, you can see that there's the 3-button icon, which I can click, and then I can go to settings right here. So once I go to settings, what happens is that if I were to scroll down, you can see that on the startup option right here, there's 3 options. So right now it's set to open the new tab page right here. So if I were to click on continue where you left off, then what happens is that if I were to search for something right here, so I'm just going to type in a bunch of random letters right here. What happens is that if I were to close this out and double click on Google Chrome, you can see that it reloads out the tab which I actually was running before Google Chrome closed out. So if I were to set this to open the new tab page and then now close it and open it, now you can see that it opens up the new tab. So for privacy reasons, you can set this out as well. You can also set a home page. So if I were to go to settings and if I were to click on open a specific page or set up pages, then I can set this out. So you can see that gmail.com is there. I can simply remove this and add in, let's say, for example, add in a new page. And let's say I want to open up adobe.com. So adobe.com right here, add it out, and that's been set. So if I were to close this and double click on Google Chrome, you can see that Adobe page opens up now, just like this. And that is how you can set it up. So you can go around and set how this actually starts up. So I'm just going to set it out to new tab page again. And if I were to double click on this, you can see that that is how it works. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.